Good morning. Today we are correcting CO8 using those exponents in exponential and expanded form. So remember, this is a good one to have the big kid calculator for so we can do our math quick and easy without making those simple mistakes. So on the top, we just had to list what was the base. Remember, the base is the big number at the bottom. The exponent is the exponent or the power. Same word, same definition, different words. Exponent and power mean the same thing. So that's the little word up, little number up at the top. So our base is 7, the exponent is 8. Base is 10, exponent is 3. Base was n, exponent is 9. Base is y, exponent is 19. Base is x, exponent is 5. Base is 2, exponent is 9. Any questions on the base, the big number at the bottom, or the exponent or power? All right. Next section is writing in expanded form. So when we write in expanded form, remember it is not 8 times 3. Liam, I want you to hear this. Come sit down. Oh, not bathroom right now. Come sit down. So it is not 8 times 3. It's 8 times 8 times 8, 3 times. So we have to do 8 times 8 times 8, which is 512. And then I did show us how to do that on the calculator. Remember, you put in the base of 8, then you do that little caret, that little arrow to show that it's going to be an exponent. Then you put in the 3, and it equals 512. So you don't have to do 8 times 8 times 8 on the calculator. You can, but when we get to bigger exponents, like up here, the exponent was 19. That is a lot trying to remember if you put in enough of them as you're multiplying on the calculator. So much easier to use the little arrow button to get that in. Next one, 12 to the third power is 12 times 12 times 12, and it's 1,728. 1 to the sixth power is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. All those ones multiplied together is still just 1. 2 to the fifth power, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 32. 3 to the second power is 3 times 3, which is 9. Oh my goodness, for whatever reason, 3 to the second power tricks a lot of people. And so many people put 6 for an answer there. It is not 3 times 2. A lot of us just know 3 times 2 is 6 and we just automatically put it. You have to stop yourself and think, what is the math we are doing? We are doing 3 times 3, so the answer is 9. Madison?
The 2 to the fifth power is 8 and not 32.
So if we do...
I said 2 to the third power.
See? 2 to the third power would be 8.
Yeah, I did that too.
Yep, so it's easy math mistakes that we make sometimes, but 2 to the fifth power is 32. Good job checking it. 0 to the fourth power would be 0 times 0 times 0 times 0. Anything we multiply by 0 will always be 0. 22 to the third power is 22 times 22 times 22, which is 10,648. 10 to the fifth power is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 100,000. And remember, we are working on putting those commas in. So when we have our decimal point here, you count 3 to the left, put your comma. So make sure you're using your commas. Does that make sense, Claire? Okay. Any other questions on our expanded form? So as Madison pointed out to us, it's very important that we really look at what that number, the exponent, is. It's small, so it's easy to mistake that 5 for a 3 because it's a small number. So you really have to slow your roll and just make sure that you're looking at the right number and you're putting the right number into your calculator. On the bottom, we're writing each expression using an exponent. then we're using our calculator to do the math. Remember, our base is big, the exponent or power is little number up to the right. So 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 5 to the 4th power, 625. The 18s, there are 6 of them, so it's 18 to the 6th power, which is 34,012,224. Again, making sure we're working on knowing where those commas go. The decimal point is right here. You go to the left 3, put your comma in. Go to the left 3, put your comma in. So we're really working on getting our commas in the correct place. There are 3 3s, so it's 3 to the 3rd power. Our answer is 27. There are 5 2s, so 2 to the 5th power. The answer is 32. Any questions on those ones? Really making sure that you have a big base with a small exponent. We don't want the numbers to look like they're the same size. So really make it known that one is a power, an exponent, and it should be nice and small. On the bottom it says we need a base of 3, so big 3 with an exponent of 5. That is 243. We have a power of 8 with a base of 2. The base, it doesn't matter if we say base first or we say base second. A base is a base. It's going to be the big number on the bottom. Exponent of 8, the power of 8, which is 256. Base of 6 with the power of 3 is 216. An exponent of 2 with the base of 150 is 22,500. Ava, what is your question?
For the last one, how is 150 the base?
Because it says it's the base.
Oh.
An exponent of 2 with a base of 150.
Oh,
You just went too fast and you thought, oh, 2 is the first number that you're going to be, that's the base. We can't always just assume. We have to know that we can switch them around. So you have to slow your roll and read through what they're telling us without going too fast. Sometimes we just want to be done. We know what we're doing and we just read it wrong because we go too fast. Okay. Any other questions on the exponents? Liam, was it making sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. You're just going to want to fill in the definitions on the top. You can even just do that from somebody at your table if they have a definition. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, so for any of us watching at home, we hope you are well and we hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.